Hello everyone. Today we are going to study the rise time of the system. The rise time is the time required for the response to reach 0 to 100% of its final value if it is underdamped system, or it is the time required for the response to reach 10 to 90% of its final value if it is overdamped system, or it is the time required for the response to reach 5 to 95% of the final value if it is critical damped system. So in order to derive the equation for the rise time, we are considering the equation, that is, this is the step response. This is the step response of the second order system. The step response of the second order system is given as 1 minus e power minus zeta omega nt by under root of 1 minus zeta square sine omega d t plus theta. So already we are derived, that is, the rise time is the time required for the response to reach 0 to 100% of its final value. That means in order to calculate the rise time, we have to consider the t equal to tr, and the response c of t value becomes 1. That means 100% means 1. So substitute t equal to tr, and c of t equal to 1 in the equation. Substitute t equal to tr and c of t equal to 1 in the equation 1. Then you are getting in place of c of t I am substituting 1 equal to 1 minus e power minus zeta omega nt. In place of t substitute tr by under root of 1 minus zeta square sine omega d. In place of t substitute tr plus theta. So this 1 and 1 getting cancelled out. So we are left with 0 equal to e power minus zeta omega nt tr by under root of 1 minus zeta square sine omega d tr plus theta. So here this sine omega tr t plus theta term is the steady state term, and e power minus zeta omega n tr divided by under root of 1 minus zeta square term is the transient term. So in order to find out the rise time, we have to make the steady state term value is equal to 0. So I am making the steady state term value is equal to 0. That is nothing but sine omega d. Just I am writing in the next slide. So sine omega d tr plus theta equal to 0. So we know that the sine theta will become 0 only when theta equal to pi. The sine theta will become 0 only when theta equal to pi. So substitute this one, then you are getting omega d tr plus theta equal to pi. So from this we can write omega d tr equal to pi minus theta. So from this we can write tr equal to pi minus theta by omega d. This is the formula for the rise time tr in case of underdamped system. And we know that the theta is nothing but tan inverse of under root of 1 minus zeta square by zeta, and omega d is the damping frequency, that is equal to omega n into under root of 1 minus zeta square. So this formula is very important in order to solve the problems. Hope you get some knowledge about the rise time. Thank you everyone.